Hello, I'm Girish Raut. I'm the applications engineer here at the RBTX facility in East Providence, Rhode Island. This is the ReBeL education kit. This is a kit that we provide as an accessory with the ReBeL, which is our 6 degree of freedom cobot arm. The kit comprises of components like these panels, some push buttons, and some boxes that are 3D printed. It also comes with an electromagnetic end-of-arm tooling for the ReBeL. The panels comprise of a mock-up of an industry setup, which is essentially a mock conveyor belt, a pallet, and some shelving. So who is the kit for? The kit is for anyone who is just getting started with robotics and automation. With the kit, we also provide modules. The modules include a simple go-through of our igus robot control software, which is a very intuitive software that you can use to program any of our robots, including the ReBeL itself. The kit also comes with tasks that you can do after going through all the modules. The tasks are simple tasks which include pick and place of buttons from the conveyor to the palletizer, pick and place of the boxes from bottom to the shelf above, and many more. To get your own ReBeL education kit along with the modules, click the link below or contact anyone from rbtx.com.